All right, we're gonna go for a ride in a 1951 Ford Victoria Custom. It's kind of like a regular 51 Ford, but Victoria, you almost never see a Victoria. It's a two-door hardtop. Most of these things were post, but it's stock, man. It's a 239 flathead V8. It's got 3 on the tree, which I'm gonna have to get a little used to because I haven't driven one of these in a while. There you go, first, second, third, pop, pop. This even has overdrive, which is pretty cool for these because when you're on the highway, it actually gets up and goes pretty good, you know? But all stock in here. The only thing is it's got an aftermarket gauge, which you kind of want for a temp gauge, you know? That's kind of the deal. The motor looks pretty good too for a flathead. So kind of detailed up a little bit. But it's old school looking, jet black. It's got red wheels. Little dual exhaust. Nice head, nice interior. Two-tone, like silver, gray, and black. I love the split windshield. It's also got a separated 3-piece rear window. Factory steering wheel. This would make a cool hot rod, even if you wanted to put it like a later model V8 in it, or an automatic overdrive transmission for people that can't drive a stick. Pretty cool, man. That's a trip. I like this old car. She goes pretty good, man. Drives nice. Yeah, this is a canvas. You can leave it alone and do nothing to it, or you can go ahead and stick another motor in it and put an automatic in it, disc brakes, whatever. Or if you just want to cruise around to local cars and coffee, show off a little bit your stock car, that's what you do. It's lowered a little bit too. It's got a cool stance to it. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video of it. All right, check out this old bomb. Old school hot rod. 1951 Ford Victoria Custom. 2-door hardtop. Look at this thing, man. Jet black. It's got gray and black interior. Really cool. Nice chrome. Dual exhaust. It's even got black license plates. It's been here since the 60s. So it's a good solid car underneath. You know, it's an original old driver, man. Lowered a little bit. Got the red steelies on there with the chrome hubcaps. Paint's pretty good. You know, it's old, but it's very presentable. Look at that front bumper. Clean, man. Got the double nubs on there. I think 50 had like a single one in the center, but I've never even seen a Victoria. Usually they're post cars. This has the back windows that go down, so you got a 2-door hardtop. Check out the interior, man. All redone. Nice, 2-tone black and gray. Original dash is looking good here. All painted. Look at all the stainless steel. Original radio. You know, this radio doesn't work. Clock doesn't work. That's all kind of typical. But you can put a custom auto sound stereo in there if you want, or something in a glove box. Pretty cool. Even the headliner in this thing looks pretty cool. It's a sweet looking ride. Something you don't see every day. You go to the car show, everybody's gonna walk up on you on this one. Here's the power plant in the 51 Vicky. Check it out, man. It's a 239 flathead V8. That's when V8s came out. Pretty cool looking, man. Big block of iron in there. This one's got a little 1-barrel carburetor. It's been converted to 12 volt, so it's got an alternator on there with an internal regulator. Also has an oil filter. I know some cars didn't have oil filters that early, but that's been added. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Look at that, man. Chitty chitty bang bang. Got dual exhaust. One's out the back. Sounds cool, man. Black plates and all. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. Be happy to show it to you. Thanks for watching.